Installing your Regal Estate shades is simple and quick, so you can set up your space with ease and confidence. In this video, we'll guide you step by step, keeping each step clear and easy to follow. We'll be demonstrating an outside mount installation where the shade is installed above and around the window frame to create a clean, streamlined look. The package includes all the basic components: the shade, adhesive mounting brackets, hold-down brackets, a handle, and alcohol pads. First, use the alcohol pad to wipe the wall surface where each bracket will be mounted. Now, position the PeelMount brackets about 2 to 3 inches from each side of the headrail. Align the release band with the center of each slot, then push firmly until you hear a distinct click. Next, peel the backing off from the 2 brackets and avoid touching the sticky surface with your fingers. For an outside mount, position the blinds 2 to 3 inches above the window frame. Make sure they extend slightly beyond each side. This blocks out more light and gives you a much fuller look. Once the shades are in position, pull the release band to take them back down. Press the brackets firmly, making sure to apply pressure across the entire surface of each bracket to ensure a strong, secure bond. From there, wait at least 1 hour before hanging the shade back up. This curing time is what gives the adhesive its full holding strength. Before attaching the shade, make sure the band falls smoothly into place. This helps ensure proper function when you're ready to detach or adjust the shade.
Now you're ready to reinstall the shades.
Hook the front of the headrail onto the brackets, then click it into place. That click sound confirms your shade is securely installed. You're all set. Your Regal Estate shade is fully installed and ready to enjoy. For additional guidance or product-specific details, refer to the instructions included with your order, or visit regalstate.co for more support.